What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an update on one of our flips, the Winter Glen project. We haven't made it back out to Campo, but that property is listed. So I'll give you guys an update and break down the numbers in the next video for you guys. But we're just going to do a walkthrough, show the updates and what's been coming along, how far behind we are on schedule. So let's go take a look. So we're finally at the point where we're really just doing touch-ups in here. So if you see blue paint throughout, that's just because, like I said, that's just for our contractors to know. Because little things will add up on the inspection report. So just like touching up. Cabinets, the kitchen's pretty much done, which I think it was last time we came through here. We just got to get some new sockets, which Benny's working on. Let's go take a look out in the garage. Garage is pretty much finished. We're just touching up the walls. Like I said, you'll see the blue tape. And then we got to get a garage repair guy out here, which did have somebody coming. Our guy was trying to charge like $700, and it's not that much that needs to be done because these are newer motors. We just need a few missing pieces, so we just felt like that was too much. Always shop around, guys. Like, always get 2 quotes for everything. 3 or 4 doesn't hurt. Master bedroom. I know we've made some changes since we were here last. We put carpet in here. We're working on where there was a leak from the prior seller, so we're gonna get this trim, touched up. They're gonna put new pieces in. The wet area, we kept some laminate here. It goes into the closet. You guys have seen the shower. I mean, it's retiled. Nothing's really changed. The master is really the main change in this property since the last video. And then back bedroom, same thing. We're just touching up paint, touching up some floors. Not really a lot that's changed back here. Bathroom, we just really painted a mirror, so that's really about it. And then out front here, guys, you can see new roof. We put in a little bit of landscaping. We got to touch up the paint right here, and we had things power washed. And then I just got to get my landscaping guy out here, and then we should, fingers crossed, be listed by this weekend. We're about 4 weeks over on our timeline as usual, so still learning a lot, guys, but this deal is going to be very profitable. We're just trying to get it listed because it's still Corona. Things are starting to slowly open, but yeah, you just never know what the market's going to do. Luckily, we love this price point. We know the area. Homes have still been selling since Corona, so that's good. But we're just ready to get it listed, guys. We have a few wholesale deals popping, and we might even be taking on a new hotel, which we'll talk about in some future videos. And then right now, I'm actually going to look at another investment venture. Might be buying an 18-wheeler, guys. So I'm going to take you guys with me on that, and don't know if we'll buy it, but we're definitely going to make a low offer and see what happens. So I'm going to take you guys with me on that as well. So let's go check that out. What's up, guys? Just taking a minute here to meet up with my boy Taryn. He's actually about to meet me to go look at this truck. He's actually a truck driver, a young cat. He's like 24, but being around me, I just always ask him, like, bro, do you want to be driving a truck forever? And he's like, no, not at all. So it's time for us to own some stuff. So one of my friends who does real estate had this lady who had a truck for sale. It was her husband's. He passed away, and she's looking to sell. So just like a house, I'm gonna go look at it, try to test drive it, and make her a lowball offer and see if it works out. If not, our goal, Taryn and I, is by the end of this year, though, to have at least 1 truck purchased. And we think that we can do that and get it up and going. It's just about having that multiple streams of income. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna go take a look at it as soon as he gets here. All right, guys, we've made it to our next stop. As you can see, we got the trailer, we got the truck back here, and my boy Terrence already looking at it. We're about to move some things because the truck has just been sitting, and then we're gonna test drive it. And then the lady is actually signing the authority with it, which means that we can operate. They probably already have some routes set up. I don't know full details about that, guys. There's not a lot I know about trucking. I just know that it makes sense, and if I buy a truck at a good deal, it'll work out. So that's why we're here. So I got my boy Lee, who's working on buying the house from the seller. We're gonna work on getting a truck and a trailer, or just a truck. I don't know, we're gonna see. And I'll give you guys a tour. We're about to go test drive and everything.
They'll come in and they'll look at this. They'll know, hey, when's the last time it's been inspected? When did you buy it? They'll know everything. Where you bought it? Who's your mama? Social security? Yeah, everything. Damn. So, obviously,
looking at the trailer, guys, really good condition. Everything is looking pretty good.
This right here too, they got a market. You know, this kind of fades away. Everybody used to work for it.
So I think it's like a 2010 to 2013, has about 800,000 miles. And my boy Lee is over here, my boy Taryn, just looking at everything. So far though, started up really nice and easy. Test drove the other one, and I don't know what's going on, but the daughter actually has an 18-wheeler too that we're looking at. And she's talking about maybe owner financing them. It's just a lot of opportunity out here, guys, like I see in the trucking space. But this shit is crazy. I just don't understand why people just have assets just sitting, not doing anything. But yeah, let's take a look at it real quick. So this is a truck, a lot better condition, a lot nicer. According to my boy Taryn here, he's saying that this is the better, newer unit, a lot easier to get parts for. As you can see, a lot cleaner on the inside. And maybe she's gonna be here in a minute. We can get the keys for it.
I got no air in it, but yeah, this is
a lot nicer in here.
I want to know what kind of numbers we're talking. This is crazy.